Every single day, people are making money with crypto, even while they sleep. The crazy part? Most beginners don't even know the easiest methods. In this video, I'll reveal 7 proven ways to make money with crypto, starting from beginner-friendly strategies all the way to advanced methods that can completely change your financial future. And trust me, you'll want to hear the last one. It's the game changer almost nobody talks about. The first way is the classic: buying and holding, also called HODLing. This is perfect for beginners. You simply buy strong, long-term projects like Bitcoin or Ethereum and let time do the heavy lifting. Think of it as planting a tree. It won't grow overnight, but years later, that tree can be massive. The second method is trading. This is for people who want to take advantage of short-term price movements. Whether it's day trading, swing trading, or using charts and indicators, trading can multiply your capital faster, but it also carries more risk. Beginners should start small, maybe even practice on demo accounts before going all in. The third method is staking. Many blockchains let you lock up your coins to help secure the network. And in return, you earn rewards. It's like putting money into a savings account that pays you interest, except in crypto, the rewards can often be much higher. The fourth method is yield farming and liquidity pools. This is where you provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges and earn fees plus rewards. Think of it like being the bank. You're providing the capital so others can trade, and you get paid for it. But remember, there are risks like impermanent loss, so always research carefully. The fifth method is through NFTs and play-to-earn gaming. Some people are making money buying and selling NFTs, while others earn through blockchain-based games. This space is still evolving, but opportunities exist for creators, collectors, and gamers alike. The sixth method is getting paid directly in crypto. If you're a freelancer, artist, developer, or content creator, you can accept payments in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or stablecoins. This is one of the fastest-growing ways people are earning because it connects you instantly with clients worldwide. And finally, the seventh method is building in Web3. If you have skills in coding, design, or community building, there are endless projects hiring in crypto. From launching tokens to building apps, this is where advanced users can make not just income, but potentially life-changing money. So those are 7 proven ways to make money with crypto, from simple buy and hold to trading, staking, farming, NFTs, freelancing, and building in Web3. Some are beginner-friendly, some are advanced, but all of them can work if you choose the one that fits your style. Now, here's my question to you. Which of these methods excites you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.